In the previous video, we entered our vendor's invoice. Now we're going to look at how that data gets into our accounting software. On our bookkeeper's home screen, they're going to have an item pop up to enter this into accounting software. Right-clicking on it will give an option to generate the AP worksheet. This worksheet can also be set to automatically generate and pop up as soon as the vendor invoice is entered if it's the same person doing both. The worksheet breaks down the invoice into the cost of goods by job and item number or GL account, depending on how you're going to transfer it. The purchase order charges are spread over each entry in relation to how their percentage of the total. We could just key this into our accounting software, but instead, if we click the Enter an Accounting button, it tells us to select the first line's first field. So we'll go do that. We'll click Enter Bills. And if we're just using GL accounts, we can use expenses. And if we're trying to use item numbers, we can use the items field. And after we click OK, it's going to transfer all of that data into QuickBooks for us. This can be set up to work with any arbitrary accounting system, but works out of the box with Peachtree and QuickBooks. Told us that the worksheet has now been recorded as having been entered. You can see the total of this worksheet was $833, and we can verify that with our QuickBooks data. Now that it's been entered, it no longer appears on our home screen. I'm going to switch to a different user, as my user has been configured as a purchasing manager. GL accounts are maintained from finance. You can see the accounting code that transfers into our accounting software is placed here. This could be a GL account or it could be an item number, as here. Here's where we supply the window that it's going to look for, and then a list of keys along with macros